At Arden Wood, we're building sophisticated main-level homes for your best years yet. Hi, I'm Phil. Regardless of whether you're looking to downsize or upgrade your living space, there's something waiting for everyone at Arden Wood. With ranch and villa floor plans that feature a first floor owner's suite with up to 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage, we're proud to offer the best of main-level living here at our newest Ryan Homes community. Arden Wood will have fantastic community amenities. Become friends with neighbors at the planned clubhouse and pool, which includes a fitness center. With flexible living spaces come the option for an in-home office or recreation room. And secluded home sites give you space for a sunroom, patio, or garden. We didn't skimp on the details at Arden Wood either, with wider doorways, lowered light switches, and craftsman finishes that make your life easier without a second thought. Plus, with lawn care included, you can spend more time enjoying hobbies, sports, or shopping at one of our nearby retailers. Want to enjoy a date night? With easy access to I-79, we're just 1 minute from Zelienople and close to all the shopping and dining that Cranberry has to offer. So if you're ready to retire in style or simply want to invest in a low-maintenance lifestyle, we hope you'll join us at Arden Wood, now selling in Harmony. I can't wait to meet you.